Hi everybody, Carol's here in our art room. Welcome. Today I'm gonna do a blowing, like a Dutch pour sort of, kinda. Anyway, I'm gonna blow some paint around. So I've mixed up some Artist Loft and house paint to a thin consistency. And I've got some colors. I've got a metallic purple, I've got a gold metallic, and I've got a Dioxin purple by Basics, and I have a turquoise. The turquoise is a mixture of this Glamour Dust with some deep turquoise. I'm not sure what kind this is. Artist Loft or Basics, I can't remember. It's a deep turquoise color anyway. So, I keep losing my little lids. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna pour some paint down. I just hope I have it watery enough. If not, I have a second canvas that I'm gonna try. I never seem to get it watery enough, but oh, and I've also added, this has floetrol in it, and water, and I have also added some gloss medium and varnish, just to see if it'll come out nice and shiny. Would be nice. I've changed my angle a bit, so I thought maybe I would blow with my breath and my head would get in the way, so I don't think I'm gonna. Alright, so let me torch out these air bubbles. I'm just going to use 4 colors. I'm going to put the purple. Gold next, and then this Dioxin purple. A little bit of white in the middle. I'm not gonna cover it with white. I'm going to use my little mini blower, so this might be a bit loud, so here we go. was quite a lot of paint for this little canvas, but it's so pretty. I love it. I think I'm just going to leave it. I don't want to play with it anymore. If I could remember the order that the paints went down in, I'll hold it up for you. I'm going to put it down more. Isn't that pretty? Awesome! Okay, I'm going to do another canvas. I'm going to do maybe a bit less paint. And I'm going to add some more water to my white paint. All right. The last time I put the turquoise, this, the gold, and then this. So I'm going to do it reverse this time. Maybe a bit less. This is just, this is a I think it's 5 by 7, no. Yeah, 5 by 7 canvas. Drizzle a little white over it. Oh, you're still there. Okay. Just going to put this on something. All right, here we go. Wow. Beautiful. This one was, here we go, we got two. If you can see them both. So let me see which way this one went. This one went turquoise on top, and that one was turquoise on the bottom. up for you. Awesome. Awesome. I can't wait to try this on a bigger canvas. All right. I'll put the dried results at the end of this video. Thanks for coming by. Come back soon. Bye-bye. Came to see my dried results. I have my little 5x7s. Just a bit damp right there, but it's dry everywhere else. It's drying really nice. Look at my little sparkles there. It's my Dust Deco Art sparkly paint. Here's the other one. There's not as many sparkles in this one. There's some gold. All right, there you go. Dried results. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.